selling that body, man.
Shouldn't even done that. It's crazy.
Crazy.
Word.
But that's what people do.